Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here with Stampaway Saturday, finally. Stampaway Saturday on Monday, and we will be drawing for the person that will be receiving the, what do they call it, paws and claws, and it is the little dog set. I thought it was really cute if you have a dog, and I'm giving it away. I actually had somebody that was like, why is she giving away a dog thing? I thought it was cute. I bought it specifically to be able to give away for this giveaway. And today we'll be working with a birthday one. So I hope people are excited about the birthday stamp for free from Dear Julie Julie. All you have to do is answer a question at the end of the video in the comments below to get your name in the drawing. So what I do with the Stampaway Saturday is I'm going to give you a little stamping tip or idea, and then we will do the drawing. And so let's get started. So I've picked out a couple of cards, and these are blank cards from, this one's from Hobby Lobby, from one of those boxes of cards, and this is from the Hot Buy cards from Michael's. Okay, I also have our tickets. And so I have those out. I have this piece of scratch paper, and I have one of the ephemera pages from the Courting Lady Jane digital kit from Dear Julie Julie. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is one of the ones that came out a little more lavender because I was running out of yellow ink. So I'm just going to tear this piece here, and I might end up tearing it a second time, but I'm going to tear it once. So these are all antique images that I've used to make that digital. And this is one of my favorite ones. And it's actually a damaged piece, but it's my favorite piece that I've ever gotten to use, I think. Okay, so let's check and see. I thought we'd use this one on the pink. And let's see how it fits. I think we'll come across here a little bit and pull that off. Okay, so my ATG gun, which I would usually use for this, is still in the car. I have a lot of unpacking to do from the funeral, so okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and attach double-sided tape to the back of this. Very easy, not too messy. And, I mean, we're going to make a card here really, really fast, right? Well, as fast as we can get the double-sided tape undone. There's that, there's that. I want it pretty much in the middle. There. Okay. Then we're going to come over here, and we have this stamp set. And I don't have this one. Well, I do have it, but I don't have it in this room. So we are going to use the Happy Birthday to You that's down here. Now again, remember, when you get this, you're going to want to undo all of the stamps and put them back in, because that's the best way to make it last better. I have a cute little bird from the other day. Okay, today I am just using the black ink because I'm only doing these words, and I don't think the other ones will be appropriate. at this time. So I'm just going to go ahead and ink my stamp. So I'm going to ink it, and let's go ahead and check it on something since this is its first impression. It is amazing. That is a great impression. So this is a Fiskars stamp set, and they are usually very, very good. Okay, I'm stamping onto cardstock, and it was a scrap piece that I had. And I'm going to rip it also. I actually do a lot of ripping, and I do it because to me it's more forgiving. I've said this before. It's more forgiving than just cutting, because cutting, you get the angle just a little bit wrong and you're totally ruined. So you could take and stamp a whole bunch of words and just have them ready to be able to be the sentiment. You could have the cards ready and then put whatever sentiment that you needed onto the card as you need the card. So if this was a get well soon, or just I'm thinking of you, you could do something along those lines. Okay, so very, very simple. One of the things that I like to do if it's a card I'm going to hand to somebody, is I like to add a little bit of bling. Oh, you know what? I have the beautiful pearls. Beautiful pearls. Okay. If I'm going to mail this, probably not going to put, especially the big bling, not going to put the big bling on it if I'm going to mail it, because it's going to cost more. It could get damaged in the mail. So do be aware that just by adding the thicker bling, you could end up with your envelope coming back to you. Okay, so happy birthday to you. And right now it's blank. Could add a sentiment inside as well. So another way that you could do this and just have it that much faster is we'll do the shoe. Okay, we're going to tear again. And I'm just tearing around the shoe. Again, from that same ephemera page. And it's printed on cardstock. And I hold with my left hand, tear with my right, because I want that tear to come down the edge. Okay? So then I do have another little card here, but for this one I'm going to use the sentiment Forever Young. Okay. And I'm going to stamp directly onto the card this time. Not going to layer it, just stamp directly on the card. And then, whoa, that's going to be messy. Then we'll just add the tape. So two different ways to get a sentiment onto your birthday card. One is to put it onto a separate paper and layer it, or to stamp directly on top of your card. It's stuck on my finger. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull these off. This double-sided tape is from Basic, and I get it at my $1.49 store, my little local store. Okay, kind of get an idea and put it down. So there, very, very simple. And I have 2 cards. And so there you go. And of course, you can decorate these more. You could add flowers to them. I could have put the washi tape behind this like I do a lot of the time. Could have done washi tape on the stripes of this card. Lots of other things, but this was just for a simple card so that you can have it done probably before the teenager finds the keys to drive to the store to buy one. That's what I always say. Well, I don't always say the teenager part, but we have a teenager grandchild just about ready to start driving. So, and there was talk about that this weekend, so that's what made me think of it. So this is the stamp set that we'll be giving away this week, and I'll give you your question in just a moment. We'll just put those right in there. So for right now, do you feel lucky? Did you answer last week's question? It was to tell us about your favorite pet, and because I had worked with this little dog stamp set that I thought was really cute and a lot of fun. So we had 41 people that have answered the question, and so let's go ahead. Now we do have more in here than 41. I think there's 47. And so if I draw one of the numbers that's not here, we'll just draw to the next one until we draw a number that is on the thing. So you can see these, we're shuffling them up. We're trying to get them all undone. I'm going to cover it up so I can't see, and shuffle them around and pull this one, which is number 5. Number 5 is Serena Nagler. Serena Nagler, congratulations. You have 1 week to message me on my Etsy shop, Dear Julie Julie, and with your address so that we can mail this out to you. Mail this out to you. You're getting the dog one, and yeah. So get in touch with me with your address so I can mail this to you. And congratulations. And for this week, the question is going to be, well, I chose this stamp set. This actually came out of, this one I didn't buy. That's right. This one came out of my mom's stash, and I have one just like it. We bought them on the same day. So when I brought home her stamps, the brand new ones, I put into a pile, and so we'll be using those for Stampaway Saturday. So May is my mom's birthday month. Her birthday was May 1st, and she was known for celebrating her birthday every day. And literally almost every day of the month, she went out to lunch with somebody, went to dinner, went to the movies, something with somebody every day of the month of May. So I have a little challenge for you, is that you might take someone to lunch or to coffee or something and celebrate them, and for the month of May. But also, I would like to know your favorite birthday memory. So the question this week is, what is your favorite birthday memory? and put that in the comments down below, and that will get you entered into the drawing for this stamp set. Now, this big stamp is really kind of cool. I probably shouldn't have covered this yet. Oh well. Find another one. So it has several words on it. It says celebration, many smiles, time together, laughter, surprise, family and friends, party times, birthday wishes, birthday bash, loved ones, festivity, special occasion, lots of laughs, and celebrate. So I'm going to put this here so I don't, until I can find a new one. Sorry about that. And so this stamp right here, you can do those things and then take them apart. This would make a big, great background stamp to put like a picture on or something else. So I think that this would be a fun stamp set to have. So do put your answer in the comments down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. And congratulations. Bye.